Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chisom, and if you've watched my previous video, well, this is going to be my second video on this channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a very simple, lovely makeup glam. It's going to be for beginners and it's going to be very detailed. So if you're a beginner and you want to know how to just do a simple glam, then you're at the right place. So just sit back, watch and enjoy this video. These bitches I send them what it taste like. These niggas wanna know what it taste like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it tastes like, yo. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. For my eyes, I'm going in with the Flawless Ivy City Girl palette, and I'm using this color in the shade Charming. I'm just going to tap that onto my crease and make sure I blend it out really well. Next, I'm going in with this flat angled brush and I'm just going to use it to apply my shadow base, like a really messy shadow base. To be going in with this color in the shade Yummy and to apply that over my shadow base. I'm creating a wing liner with this gel liner from KARITE long wear liners. So after doing that, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. I'll be going in with this 6-in-1 highlight colors. I'm just going to use that to define my underbrows. I'll use this Mega Impact mascara from Kiss Beauty to just brush onto my lashes. Next, I'm going in with this false lashes from Glam. I got it from Instagram. You can check it out. So yeah guys, I just popped on my lashes and it's looking really nice. For my foundation base, I'm using this 24K goldzan ampoules serum base. I'm just going to rub that evenly onto my face. I'll be using the Flawless Ivy full coverage liquid foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I'm just going to apply that on my face in little quantities, and I'll go in with this really soft beauty blender to press that into my skin. I'm going to go ahead to set my face with this Kiss Beauty makeup fix spray. I'm just going to highlight my under eyes, and I'll be using the same beauty blender I use for my foundation to really blend this out. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to be doing it to my nose and my chin and my forehead. I'll go ahead to set my face with the 24 hours hold and loose powder from AVOUR, and I'll be using this really fluffy brush to pat that right into the parts which I highlighted previously. To contour my nose, I'm going to be using this Flawless Ivy liquid contour in the shade FL06. I'm just going to apply that to the corners of my nose, and I'll be using this really nice angled contour brush to really blend that out. I'm so sorry guys, I misplaced the clips where I did my lips and highlighted my face. I hope you like this look. Please comment, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.